So hello guys, hoping you're doing very well. I know from the bottom of my heart, I really know the last time we actually had a video on this YouTube channel was a while back, and I apologize for that. And it's because of unprecedented circumstances that challenged me that I was unable to do a video for my channel. But anyway, guys, we are actually more than halfway in 2025, and okay, to say I have been good, I've been doing good, and in the meantime I've been following people on here. So the first one is Unbox Therapy, and the second one is Marcus Brownlee, MKHBD. I don't know how to pronounce that name, Maccabi HD. Anyway, but I usually follow his channel, and he has an amazing tech channel there, and I would want you to go and follow him if you don't follow maybe him. And he really reviews all those contents so nicely. And at the beginning of the year, as we saw the introduction of Samsung S25, they really did a good video about it. And then later on we came and found like they have introduced S25 Edge, which is a high-end mobile phone, which is slimmer, and that's why we are here. We're here to talk about how 2025 is and how it has been. And if you're not using AI in this year, I don't know what you're waiting for, because this year AI has really get in handy to many of us. Like for me, I personally use AI in my personal stuffs, my personal projects, and it has really worked. Like it's so smart. It's very smart. I cannot even explain how AI is. So we cannot talk about tech without saying something about AI. So we have ChatGPT AI, we have Google Gemini, and also the Microsoft Pilot, and also we have another one by X called Grok. Those are amazing ChatGPT tools that maybe you need to try. You can also try them. You can do something about it, and you see how it goes. So this year has been a year for me personally. I could say it has been a year for AI. Every phone that is coming up actually right now, they are introducing AI on that phone. Like for now, we are anticipating the launching of iPhone 17 in September, and people are expecting so much from AI, what AI can do. And on the other hand, Apple have Apple Intelligence. Their AI is called Apple Intelligence, and I believe this is it's something huge, something so big, and I cannot wait to see. And so number one tip, if you're planning to buy a phone, do not buy a phone that doesn't support AI. Although you can wrap it up. Even if a phone doesn't have AI, you can actually go online, go to Play Store, App Store, and you can actually download an AI app, which can be helpful. But in long term, I would suggest just go for a phone that has AI inbuilt, and I think it will be amazing. So we have already talked about AI because that is the highlight of even this video. And so why should you use AI? It's a very interesting question, and I'm going to break it down a little bit, and so I hope you get it. So number one is it saves time. It saves time, and you do things in a faster way. Maybe if you develop an AI of doing or handling tasks for you, the way AI is going to handle those tasks, it's going to do it in a very quicker, simpler way than the way you're going to do it either manually or the way you do it. It is much faster. It will save your time, and it will also help you to work smarter in everything. And now we go to number two. Number two is it stays competitive. There is a time I was on the road, and I saw an ad, and you could tell this ad is an AI ad. Like, I don't want to mention anyone who is using AI to create ads, but you could tell this this advertisement is actually built based on AI, because the pictures are not humanish. They have just used AI, and I think it's not bad, it's good. But I thought, anyway, we stay competitive. Companies are using AI nowadays to stay competitive, to stay ahead of tasks, and I believe that is a company changing thing, which will help in one way or another in their revenue also. And I think the companies that are using AI, even though many people are going to lose job, another thing I heard is that if you want to stay competitive, learn how to use AI, and AI will become handy for you, and you're not going to lose a job because you have learned your AI. So companies also, they need people who are going to learn these AIs, and when you're one of them, I think you're one step ahead, and that's a good thing. So they produce more and they want to reach people. It helps in making smarter decisions. So for example, if you ask ChatGPT about maybe you want a review, maybe you have a large data, you want a review of it, and the way it does it so fast, it does it so quick, and it gives you an idea of where you are headed to, and you are going to make decisions based on the summary that it has given you. Maybe in terms of a company, the revenue, the targets, you want to reach more people, it will give you all those analysis, and you're going to make a good decision based on how AI has simplified the large data that you had, or a question that was tickling you and you're going to be better at it. Yeah, so you're going to make smarter decisions. Yep. And so I've been thinking, like, if you are not using AI, you are actually wasting a lot of time where you could have used it to ask AI about something that you could have gotten quicker. Maybe you need a review, maybe you need a summary, maybe you're studying, maybe you need, you see, like everywhere right now, we are talking about AI. AI is everywhere. Here's my verdict about now AI, or my take about AI. You cannot afford not to use AI. It is not a trend anymore. It is something that is now part of our lives. You need to use it. If you're not using it, you need to learn how to use it. You need to do something about it. Just do something about AI, because AI is not going to replace you, but someone who knows AI is the one who is going to replace you. So learn AI, learn how to do things with AI. It will save you a lot of time, and it will help you to work smarter, make better decisions, and it will help you to guide you and give you good information and good results. And do not allow AI to control you, but rather you are the one who needs to control this AI, because you're human and you can do it. And it is a challenge for me to you. Learn how to use AI. Even if it's ChatGPT, start with that ChatGPT and you see how it goes. So that's the end of it all. I hope we have learned something, and thanks to all of you. Thanks for being here, and thanks for staying up to the end. And remember another thing, AI is not for the future. It is now for the present. Use it to learn, use it to grow, use it to adapt, everything in between, and you're going to see the results. Have a good time. See you on my next one. Yeah, and I think I need a mic. I actually need a mic. But anyway, one thing I've learned is that it's not even about what AI can do, but what we choose to do with AI. Whew, yeah, that's it. Peace. Okay, as you continue to subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. Thanks to my followers, my subscribers. It means a lot, and we're going to build something on this channel, and it's going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to share with you, and I cannot wait to see how this channel is going to grow. And here we go again, and peace out to you guys. I love you. See you on my next one. Peace out.